Hello everyone, welcome to TLM Training on Training. Okay, so the easiest way to look at all the training options is to go to the main menu from the search screen. There are 9 options here that all connect you in the order they are most likely performed in terms of all the steps you would need relative to training. The first one being adding new employees. And once this is done, you can go up to the employee options on the settings screen. And find the new user we just added. You can either click on the name and look at their job titles, or you can click on the job title link on the search screen. We've added job descriptions, multiple ways to get to the training requirements for that job description, and here we can change the frequency as well as whether or not that training is mandatory for this job description. All right, let's close that. Close this. Get rid of that. And on the Assignments tab on Training Requirements for the User. So this is going to match the job description if we imported that. And then from here, the easiest way to manage assignments is to go to the schedule and use the new assignment tools on the training requirements search screen, where we can check individually or check all, clear individually or clear all, and then the little add button will create a training record for everything that's checked. It would also create a new training record if one needs to be created for assignments to be made. So let's go look at get rid of some of the stuff here, and let's go look at the, which one is it? Right, the scheduled training. So we can look at the scheduled training for the person we just assigned, our new employee, down here somewhere. And go to one of the classes, and there he is at the bottom. If you don't see their name on the schedule, open one of their training records. That will create, I think, one of the records that is being used in this filter. There he is. Okay, let's check another one. Yep, got assigned all of them. Awesome. So job descriptions, as you might know, are controlled documents. So you would want to create one for being able to make the training requirements link between requirements and job descriptions. Then, just in case you're new to TLM, the job description being a controlled document, you would want to go to the document management screen, create a DCO, and then you can load the document and actually release it. And then to assign to job descriptions to employees, it's just on that first tab that we saw before. And then defining your training requirements would just be on the training requirements search screen. You would just create new records here. And also assign documents to the training requirement, and then those get brought over to the training record, the training schedule of the events. And we saw this screen earlier where we're assigning training requirements by job description. You can maneuver between different job descriptions. And we're going to add a bunch to a new job description. Make sure they all have a frequency. Then we can go to a particular user that has that job description and look at their requirements, and it should automatically populate once you make that assignment to the job description. And on this screen, you can also look at if you're scheduling a particular class, who needs it. And there's a new button to assign everybody who needs it. Figured that would come in handy. Alright, let's close out of here. And we'll look at number 8, which is just the scheduling of the training record. And we're also going to see if the assignments were made. Yep. Those were all added. Number 7, assigning training to an individual employee. So this is the same screen we saw from the employee information screen on that center tab and the requirements drop down. So there's multiple ways to get to the same functionality. And then, of course, if we go to individual trainings that have been scheduled on the record, you can make individual assignments once the training has already been, the record of the training has already been created. Okay, let's demonstrate this section again. We're just going to add Michael to one of the trainings and then go check to see how that works. I guess we're going to do one more little validation test to see if Michael got added to. Yep, there he is. Perfect. All right, I think that should do it. Thanks for watching.